Good morning, students. I'm your teacher in Vital Matriculation School. Today, Tuesday. Hope you all doing well, right? Had your breakfast? Yes. Okay. Today, we are going to see the stories. Students, are you all hearing stories, right? Okay. The Lion and the Bullocks. The Lion and the Bullocks. Here, see the animal lion. This is the lion. And this is the bullocks. 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 And this is lion. 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 Here, see this picture. Lion kill the bullocks, right? See, let me read the story first and I'll explain you. Okay, students, let me read. Once upon a time, there lived four bullocks. There lived four bullocks in a forest. Four bullocks in a forest. They used to grass together in a particular place. They used to grass together in a particular place. One day a lion passed. One day a lion passed on the way and saw the bullocks. The lion wanted to kill and eat them. The lion wanted to kill and eat them. But the bullocks together fought against the lion. The lion ran away. After some days, the bullocks quarreled among them and began to grass in different places. The lion came there and killed them one by one. Here, nothing but there were a forest. Four bullocks. 1, 2, 3. Already it have one bullocks, but lion were killed. So they have four bullocks in the forest. They used to grass together a particular place. Four bullocks grass together in a particular place. One day a lion paused on the way. That think about it want to eat the four bullocks one by one. It want to kill and eat the bullocks, and then but the lion can't kill bullocks because the four bullocks have a unity. But then the bullocks after some days the bullocks quarreled. After some days the bullocks quarreled among them to begin to grass at different places. Bullocks see different places bullock grass to eat, right? So that time the lion come back to their place and kill the bullocks one by one and eat them. Why the lion come back? Because bullocks are not unity. It is different places to grass for eating. So the lion came there and killed them one by one. The story, from the story, what we have to learn? Unity is strength. Unity is strength. So, when the bullocks makes different places, that time the unity should broken up. So, the bullocks did one by one by the line. So, the moral is unity is strength. Unity is strength. So, students, you have to make unity with your friends, families, relatives. Okay, that time no dangerous to you. And then second story, the greedy dog. The greedy dog. The greedy dog. Once a dog. First, let me read the passage and I'll explain. Okay, students? The greedy dog. See this picture? See this picture? Here, little pond, right? The dog reflection in the water. You can see this, right? So let me read the passage and I will explain you, students. Listen. Once a dog was crossing a brook with a bone. Brook with the bone in his mouth. Once a dog was crossing the brook. Here, see, crossing the brook. Its name is brook. While crossing the brook, it saw its reflection in the water. It saw its reflection in the water. It thought that there was another dog with a bone. Another dog with a bone. The dog wanted that bone too. The dog wanted that bone too. So it barked, bow wow. Its own bone also fell into the water. Now the dog had no bone. Here, let me read it again. Once a dog was crossing a brook with a bone in his mouth. While crossing the brook, it saw its reflection in the water. It thought that there was another dog with a bone. The dog wanted that bone too. So it barked, bow wow. Its own bone also fell into the water. Now the dog had no bone. You see, once a dog was crossing the brook with the bone in his mouth. While crossing the brook, it saw its reflection in the water. Students, see the reflection of the dog with the bone. And it thought there was another dog with a bone. The dog wanted that bone too. The dog wanted this bone too, and so it barked. Its own bone also fell into the water. Here, in this bone, fell into the water. Now, the dog had no bone. So, the moral of this story is never to be greedy. Never to be greedy. So, you have to live with your own things. Okay? Next, we have to recall the pictorial grammar. Pictures dictionary. Picture dictionary. Picture dictionary, general knowledge. Here the animals we have already seen, right? So, CAT, cat. What it is? C-A-T, cat. D-O-G, dog. D-O-G, dog. C-O-W, cow. C-O-W, cow. G-O-A-T, goat. G-O-A-T, goat. H-O-R-S-E, horse. H-O-R-S-E, horse. Donkey. D-O-N-K-E-Y, donkey. Pig. P-I-G, pig. P-I-G, pig. Rabbit. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Camel. C-A-M-E-L, camel. Buffalo. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. Sheep. S-H-E-E-P, sheep. Here these animals are domestic animals. Domestic animals. These animals are domestic animals. It lives with us, right? Like pet animals. Domestic animals. Cat, dog, cow, goat, horse, donkey, pig, rabbit, camel, buffalo, sheep. Next, you have to see the wild animals. Wild animals. Lion. Wild animals means these animals are living in forest. Living in the forest. So it is called as wild animals. Lion. L-I-O-N. Lion. Tiger. T-I-G-E-R. Tiger. Elephant. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. Deer. D-E-E-R. Deer. Bear. B-E-A-R. Bear. Monkey. M-O-N-K-E-Y. Monkey. Fox. F-O-X. Fox. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Z-E-B-R-A. Zebra. Cheetah. C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Giraffe. G-I-R-A-F-F-E. Giraffe. Rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. R-H-I-N-O-C-E-R-O-S. Rhinoceros. Next, fruits. Fruits. Apple. A-P-P-L-E. Apple. Orange. O-R-A-N-G-E. Orange. Mango. M-A-N-G-O. Mango. Grapes. G-R-A-P-E-S. Grapes. Pineapple. P-I-N-E-A-P-P-L-E. Pineapple. Banana. B-A-N-A-N-A. Banana. Watermelon. W-A-T-E-R-M-E-L-O-N. Watermelon. Custard apple. C-U-S T-A-R-D A-P-P-L-E custard apple. Papaya P-A-P-A-Y-A papaya. Then jackfruit J-A-C-K F-R-U-I-T jackfruit. Pomegranate P-O-M-E-R-G-R-A-N-A-T-E pomegranate. P-O-M-E-G-R-A-N-A-T-E pomegranate. Lemon L-E-M-O-N lemon. And then vegetables carrot C-A-R-R-O-T carrot. Onion O-N-I-O-N onion. Potato P-O-T-A-T-O potato. Brinjal B-R-I-N-J-A-L brinjal. Tomato T-O-M-A-T-O tomato. Bitter gourd B-I-T-T-E-R-G-O-U-R-D bitter gourd. And then chilli C-H-I-L-L-I chilli. Pumpkin P-U-M-P-K-I-N pumpkin. Peas P-E-A-S peas. Cabbage C-A-B-B-A-G-E cabbage. Turnip T-U-R-N-I-P turnip. Lady's finger L-A-D-Y apostrophe S lady's finger F-I-N-G-E-R lady's finger. Next birds hen H-E-N hen. Cock C-O-C-K cock. Crow C-R-O-W crow. C-R-O-W crow. Parrot P-A-R-R-O-T parrot. Pigeon P-I-G-E-O-N pigeon. Myna M-Y-N-A myna. And then duck D-U-C-K duck. D-U-C-K duck. Vulture V-U-L-T-U-R-E vulture. V-U-L-T-U-R-E vulture. Peacock P-E-A-C-O-C-K peacock. Swan S-W-A-N swan. Sparrow S-P-A-R-R-O-W sparrow. Eagle E-A-G-L-E eagle. And then flowers rose R-O-S-E rose. R-O-S-E rose. Jasmine J-A-S-M-I-N-E jasmine. Lotus L-O-T-U-S lotus. Sunflower S-U-N FLOWER, sunflower. Lily, LILY, lily. Daisy, DAISY, daisy. Gloxinia, GLOXINIA, gloxinia. Marigold, MARIGOLD, marigold. Shooflower, shooflower, SHOEFLOWER, shooflower. Gloxinia, marigold, shooflower. Rose, jasmine, lotus, sunflower, lily, daisy, gloxinia, marigold, and finally shooflower. Okay students, today's class is over here and let me continue in next class. Okay students, thank you. Keep safe at your home.